the measure of an inscribed angle of circle is 65 degree, then what will be the measure of central angle formed by intercepted arc of that inscribed angle? Okay, we have to draw the figure. Okay, central angle तुम्हाला घ्यावा लागेल. Suppose this is center. Okay, something like that. So you can write here A, you can write here B, you can write here P, and you can write here O. Okay, so we know the property that, suppose here we write X. Okay, we know that measure of inscribed angle is half the measure of the intercepted arc. Okay, so that means measure of angle APB is equal to half of measure of arc AXB. Okay, now angle is given as 65 is equal to half of measure of arc AXB. Okay, and therefore measure of arc AXB is equal to 130 degrees. Okay, okay, now we know that measure of central angle, measure of angle AOB, this is central angle, is equal to measure of arc AXB. Okay, measure of the central angle is equal to the measure of the intercepted arc by that central angle. Okay, so we can write measure of angle AOB is equal to 130 degrees. Measure of central angle is equal to measure of the arc. Okay, measure of the arc intercepted by it. Okay, using this property we can say that measure of angle AOB is equal to 130 degrees. So third option is the correct answer. One shopkeeper gives 8% discount on printed price of camera. If he sold the camera for rupees 4600, then what is the printed price of camera? आपण वेगवेगळ्या पद्धती आहेत, आपण सोप्या पद्धतीने करू. याला 100ची पद्धत आपण बघूयात. ओके, आपण असं लिहू इकडे प्रिंटेड प्राइस. ओके, आणि ॲक्च्युअल सेलिंग प्राइस. ओके, प्रिंटेड प्राइस सपोज 100 आहे, 8% डिस्काउंट दिलं तर किती होईल? 92 होईल. सेलिंग प्राइस किती होईल? 92 होईल. आता त्यांनी दिलं सेलिंग प्राइस 4600. वी डोंट नो दिस. So what you have to do is you do the cross multiplication. Okay, this and this. So 4600 into 100 divided by 92. Okay, very simple method. 23चा पाढा जर पाठ असेल 23 चौक 92, 23 दुने 46, ओके, आणि 25 चौक 100, ओके. So 5000 is the final answer. Okay, so let us see the next one. What is the cost of fencing of the circular garden of radius 21 meter with rounds of wire? Example 40. What is the cost of fencing the circular garden of radius 21 meter with 3 rounds of wire if the wire cost rupees 60 per meter? Okay, circular garden आहे, garden is circular, so draw one circle. Okay, now you know that suppose this is the center of the circle, okay, and radius is equal to 21. It is given 21 meter radius. Okay, so we want to do the fencing. Okay, so we have to find what we have to find here. We know that circumference is equal to 2 pi r. Okay, we want to do the fencing, so fencing will be around the garden. Okay, but garden is circular, so the perimeter of the garden is nothing but the circumference of that garden. Okay, so circumference formula is 2 pi r. So 2 into 22 upon 7, we will take pi as 22 upon 7. Okay, and r is equal to 21. Okay, so you can do this 22 into 6. 22चा पाढा जर पाठ असेल तर तुम्ही पटकन लिहू शकता. ओके, नाउ 3 rounds you have to take 3 rounds of wire. It is given. Okay, 3 rounds of wire, that means 132 multiplied by 3. Okay, that much meter. Okay, and cost is, what is cost? Cost will be 132 into 3 multiplied by 60. Why 60? Because it is given per meter expense or per meter cost is rupees 60. It is given. Okay, per meter cost is 60, is given to you already. So now you have to do this. This is the answer to this is 23,760. You have to do this calculation and the final answer is 23,760 rupees. Okay, so first option is the correct option. Okay, let us do the next one. The ratio of measure of complementary angle of one angle with its measure of supplementary angle is 2:5. Then what will be the ratio of that angle with its supplementary angle? Okay, suppose that angle is, suppose that angle is x. Okay, the measure of complementary angle of one angle, its complementary angle will be, its complementary angle will be 90 minus x. त्याचा जो कॉम्प्लिमेंटरी अँगल असेल तो किती असणार आहे? 90 minus x. कॉम्प्लिमेंटरी मीन्स द ॲडिशन ऑफ 2 अँगल्स इज 90 degrees. ओके, चांगलं लक्षात ठेवा. आणि सप्लिमेंटरी मीन्स ॲडिशन ऑफ 2 अँगल्स इज 180 degrees. ओके, आता पुढे दिलं आहे विथ इट्स मेजर ऑफ सप्लिमेंटरी अँगल. ओके, नो इट्स सप्लिमेंटरी अँगल will be 180 minus x. 180 minus x. Okay, so it is given that the ratio of measure of complementary angle of one angle, okay, means 90 minus x, ह्याचं जे रेशो आहे कुणासोबत, त्याच्या सप्लिमेंटरी अँगल सोबत 180 minus x. okay, this is equal to 2/5. this is given. Now you have to do cross multiplication and solve this. 450 minus 5x is equal to 360 minus 2x. okay, I think this is 90 is equal to 3x. okay, इथे एक स्टेप आपण लिहू शकतो. 450 minus 360 is equal to 5x minus 2x. so 90. so this implies that x is equal to 30. okay, now we want to find the ratio of that angle with its supplementary angle. okay, supplementary angle of 30 degrees is 150 degrees. okay, because supplementary angle means the addition of two angles is 180. so 30 plus 150, okay, is 180. that means 30 and 150 are supplementary angles of each other. okay, supplementary angle म्हणजे पूरक कोन ज्याला म्हणतो आपण मराठीमध्ये, आणि पूरक कोन म्हणजे 30 आणि 150. ओके, दोन अँगलची ॲडिशन जर 180 असेल तर त्याला आपण पूरक कोन म्हणतो, आणि दोन अँगलची ॲडिशन जर 90 असेल तर त्याला आपण कोटी कोन म्हणतो. ओके, ट्राय टू अंडरस्टँड दिस. सो यू वॉन्ट टू फाइंड रेशो ऑफ दिस टू. 30:150 हे फाइंड आउट करायचं आपल्याला. सो दॅट विल बी 1:5. 1:5. 1:5 is the final answer. That is option 2 is correct option. Okay.